Vääränkalliontie 2 Harjusalo, Kangasala. In 2024, 45341986. Seven Brussels 630 kilograms, 1 is enough. This lift was modernized only after the 30 years or 29. Completed in September 2024, so it's first. That's